ready and ready to go to Mumbai, and my bag is quite heavy. I think it will reach around 23 kgs, which is the limit. And I'm full of clothes now, but when I reach Mumbai, I have to take out clothes one by one, because it will be 30 degrees over there, and here it's somewhere around 2 or 3 degrees Celsius. And see you guys in Mumbai. Still 3 hours for the flight, and I checked in quite early, unbelievably early, because for me, I know this is not me. I normally check in 1 hour before, half an hour before, and get into the plane. So this is quite a amazing thing for me.
के लिए डबलिन की संभावना है। ब्रसेल्स एयरलाइंस की ओर से हम आशा करते हैं कि आपकी यात्रा सुखद रहे। हम आपको याद दिलाना चाहेंगे कि मुंबई में आपके बोर्डिंग पास की जांच की जाएगी। ध्यान देने के लिए धन्यवाद। This is the best place to vlog, in fact. I like it. And it's still 3 to 4 hours to go for the destination Mumbai. So I'm just trying to stretch a little bit and trying to. From the flight landed, and I'm here out in the sun vlogging, and hopefully it's a nice sun. It's not cold, it's hot, 30 degrees weather out here, and it's awesome sun after a long time, so I'm enjoying it.